a different type of video for my YouTube channel, one where I get real about content marketing and sometimes what we do to either ourselves or our platforms and the good, the bad, and the ugly of the aftermath of it, and importantly, why this matters to someone like you and the takeaways that will benefit you, your content marketing efforts, and your business overall. Hey, what's up everybody? It's Stacey Storino. Welcome back to my channel, the #1 place to learn about crafting content that converts content consumers into actual customers. I've got 8 years of experience coaching thousands of students across the world under my belt, and today I'm going to talk about I started a TikTok account and quit it. Here's why. But before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get the help that entrepreneurs like you need to succeed with content marketing that drives traffic to your business so that you could do more business. Now, confession time. Why I started and quit. Okay, so around a year ago, I started my own TikTok account under my name, and I posted a few videos to it. I got around 100 followers in a week, and then I dropped the platform altogether for myself personally. Now, to be fair, behind the scenes, I coached many of my paying customers and clientele to build up their own accounts on TikTok. I made videos about it that helped quite a few of them. I even launched a course because enough of my students, after years of coaching about content marketing in general, well, I got so many requests for the Stacey way to do content marketing on TikTok, so I created a course and launched it privately to those students who wanted it and helped them too. Because my biggest client at the time was Joe's Dairy Bar and Grill, and my students could watch over the course of a year or so as Joe's climbed past 800,000 followers on the platform, and yes, it drove more traffic to their business, and yes, it even helped them to launch a clothing line for all the folks who were a fan of their content who, for whatever the reason, did not think they'd ever be able to visit Joe's in person. Well, it helped the client to launch comfort food clothes. And guess what? They get sales there too from people all over the world. So it's not that I didn't help out with content marketing on the platform. It's not that I didn't coach a ton of other students from 2020 through now to get onto the platform and get more sales. Yes, more sales. It's just I became the shoemaker who had no shoes. I stopped even trying to create dummy content to teach students with. So many of them just jumped onto the platform with both feet, committed themselves, and yes, they get sales every week from TikTok alone. No matter how big or small their accounts may be, it's not so much the size of your platform's following that matters. It's whether the audience you have are qualified leads who would ever want to actually buy from your business, whatever it is that it has to offer. If you're an entrepreneur, sales matter, not vanity metrics. You know you can't deposit followers into the bank, right? This isn't just limited to TikTok as a platform. Even on Instagram, you can have a ton of followers, and if you don't have qualified leads as most of your followers, you can't necessarily sell a thing. So I didn't really fuss with TikTok because I was so busy helping everyone else and their mother behind the scenes as a coach do well themselves on TikTok. Am I sorry? Heck no. Am I still helping paid students behind the scenes rank up on TikTok in a way that can bring them sales, the most important conversion of all? Yes. But now maybe it's time for me to get back on TikTok to see what I can do for my own account because, why not, right? Does it matter if I get to 1 million followers in like 10 minutes? No. Not if they're not qualified leads, not if they don't need a content marketing coach. Does it matter if you get 1 million followers in a day, a week, whatever? No, not if they're not primarily your ideal customers. You're not a kid trying to get a bloated following because, it's cool. Or sponsorships. Like today, most companies don't want huge influencers. They want to spend their money on micro influencers, whose audience is primarily made up of the company's ideal customers. Why? Because they're more likely to get sales. Bigger isn't always better. For me, for you, for anyone, regardless of the business model, is what I'm saying. So that said, here's why it's not too late for a comeback. For me or for you, if you're in the same boat or similar boat to me. You started a TikTok account, you did nothing with it. Or you started a TikTok account, posted content for a bit. It worked however well it did, and then fill in the blank reason, life happened, whatever, you quit. Or you just stopped posting content. Is it too late? Nope. Nope. Should you be upset about it? Nope. Won't change anything anyway if you do. You'll just be miserable about it or stay miserable about it. How's that going to help? So is it too late for your brand to create great brand awareness on TikTok, get more people to opt into your email list on TikTok and or buy from you thanks to TikTok? Nope. You still have plenty of time. Those who want to put a lid on how much more time you have are estimating between 12 to 24 months to really build up. As this video is being shot live, that's plenty of time. It's not too late for anyone. Relax. Posting daily helps. The more you post right now, the better you'd likely do. It is still a great time to get onto TikTok and use it for your organic content marketing. The prevailing wisdom is that currently you cannot post too much content on TikTok. I'm going to put that to the test in a video I release after this one. So be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Identify trends and embrace them in a way that relates to your ideal customer, your business, its offerings, even all three of those things. When you can, use hashtags to index your content for search and to assist the TikTok algorithms as they suggest you out to other users. Be smart about your caption. Use keywords that can help you both ways too, not just hashtags. Experiment. Be brave. Have fun. I'm going to. Why shouldn't you? So now I want to hear from you. Did you quit TikTok and are you looking to come back to it, or did you kind of half-heartedly use TikTok, but now you're ready to come at it again for real this time? Well, go ahead, comment below. I do read your comments. And if you want more help in terms of distinguishing yourself from the crowd and increasing your trustworthiness in the eyes of your niche, I actually have a freebie for you to pick up called 10 Reasons Why You're Viewed as a Fake Guru and How to Gain Credibility and Customers Instead. And you can pick it up at don'tbeafakeguru.com. The link for you to score that freebie guide is in the show notes or the description down below. There you have it. You now have my thoughts behind why I started a TikTok account and quit it. Need more help? Be sure to check out these two awesome videos too, because they'll teach you great content marketing strategies too.